See here in this problem, here a series RL circuit is given here. So with resistance 1 ohm and capacitance 8 Faraday. So but this circuit is act as a critical damping circuit. So then what is the value of inductance? So critical damping means damping ratio equal to 1. So for a series RL circuit, we know that damping ratio equal to R by 2 into root of C by L. So this is the important formula for calculating the damping ratio for series RL circuit. Now substitute R value and C value in this equation as well as zeta equal to 1, because this circuit acts as a critical damping circuit. So that's equal to 1 equal to 1 by 2 root of 8 by L. So by simplifying this, we will get L equal to 2 Henry. So whenever L is 2 Henry, so then the circuit will act as a critical damping circuit. So from the options, option is the correct option for the given problem. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.